go.
Okay, so Jessica, let's go for a ride today.
Let's go. Okay, where's the key?
Hello.
Want to go to Mohegan Sun?
Yeah.
Look at this, it's Clippy.
Oh, Clippy. Oh, my finger.
Oh, give me it back.
One shoe.
Oh,
my gosh.
a zap, zap. Oh.
I don't want a shoe.
I know. Here, try this in the ignition.
I don't know.
Would you like some hydration?
Oh, I'd like some hydration.
Whoa.
How do you open this device?
Whoa.
Sleepy. You win! We win! We went to Mohegan Sun. We won. We won. We went to Mohegan Sun. Paper wrapper.
Oh, some Scooby Snacks. We gotta go get some. Let's go to the grocery store.
Glove compartment.
Come on, don't fill it up. We're going to the grocery store.
We got to the grocery store. Buckle it. Oh my God.
Let's put on some tunes.
It's my lucky day. I found a job. Come on. It's an anti-theft. Oh no. We should get out now.
No, that happens all the time. It looks like that. Hey, let's ride. Whoa!
How do we know the airbags aren't going to come out in a second now?
Jessica, Haley, is this your car?
No.
What? What? Oh! Gotta get out of here!
This isn't our car. This isn't our. This is.